You can now pet your plants like a pet with PlantPetz. This makes your plant come to life, and it knows when I'm touching it. Here at CES, we're getting a look at a lot of these cute samples for the first time. They move with sound. And it's so loud on the show floor. At your home, they would just move a little bit whenever there's sound. And they kind of come in a lot of different sizes. So something like this would be about $40. But also, there is a vase for flowers. So you can have a little message you can record on it every time someone touches the flower. And how many times you want to see all around the bouquet? Now you can, because it'll just be turning in your home. It's also helping you keep it alive, because if it needs water, the sensors in there will know, and it'll start making a bubbly sound to let you know it's thirsty. And if you walk past it and forget, it's still going to keep making a bubbly sound again to remind you again. Oh, look, he's just making little critter sounds. There's just a little plant critter in your home. Oh, he's so cute. It's like a little tribute. If you're having maybe a dance party in your home, there's a Bluetooth connection so we can play music and dance along to the music. There's a couple of sensors you have to put in the soil. These are the moisture sensors, and this one is the capacitive sensor, so it knows when you're petting your plants. Something like this would be about $45, and it also could be so personalized for a birthday or anniversary or whatever you want it to be. They have larger ones that go up to $65, and if you just want something quick and easy, they're also going to have this $15 version that you can stick into any current plant, and it has that capacitive sensor, so when the plant gets touched, your message that you record will play. This all launched at CES. The company says they are ready to go, and they could be on sale in a matter of weeks. Let me know in the comments if you would buy this. I think it's just too cute. I want one. Thanks for watching.